Birthday Kip, episode 37. Bird's Secret. It was an early fall morning. The air was chilly. Kip washed his paws to keep warm. Kip looked down. Bird was doing something in her nest. Kip didn't see what it was. He could see. He could always see something green and yellow. "Hey, bird!" said Kip. "What are you doing?" "Nothing," said Bird. Kip climbed down to Bird's perch. "Can I see?" asked Kip. "No," said Kip. Bird turned her back to Kip. "Come on," said Kip. "Tell me what you're doing." "No," said Bird. "Please," said Kip. "No," said Bird. "I'm not telling you." Kip tried to pick around Bird. Bird moved to the side. Kip tried to pick over Bird. Bird raised her shoulders. "Why would you tell me?" asked Kip. Bird got angry. "Because it's a secret, Kip," cried Bird.